You may wonder what you have done wrong in everyday habits and diet to create a liver issue or dysfunction, but one of the main reasons for liver toxins is excessive or daily alcohol consumption. Also, the reason could be processed sugar, especially hidden sugar, which builds fat around our organs and skin. Additionally, processed foods, medicinal drugs, and obesity all create liver problems. All the above are aggravating factors, and the more these factors we add to our body daily, the more we burden our liver, skin, and other organs. The additional problem is that our bodies cannot properly absorb vitamins, minerals, and food nutrients when our liver does not work well. This dysfunction creates a chain reaction, making you wonder why you have, for example, a bloated stomach, or why you do not have proper digestion, and may also have constipation problems. You may also have headaches and low energy each day, or increased weight does not go away, and the scale shows the exact number even following an excellent diet. So, liver detoxification is crucial to its proper functioning, because the liver is one of the most essential body organs, and consider that liver dysfunction may start blood circulation and hormones issues, and not only that. Liver damage can also create additional fat gain and obesity problems, digestion problems, unexplained fatigue, nausea, abdominal pain or bloating, as well as bleeding gums, and many other health problems you might not imagine are related to the liver. So, in today's video, you will discover an excellent and healthy 7-day liver cleansing drink for repair and detoxification, that will also help you avoid the cause of liver dysfunction, avert gallstone formation, enhance the state of your body's organs, and promote a healthy intestinal cleanse. If you are watching a video on your healthy zone for the first time, subscribe and press the bell to avoid missing the following ones. Many people generally have a healthy diet, and may take nutritional supplements, such as vitamin D or C. However, they continue to have vitamin and mineral deficiencies, such as magnesium and iron. That is why a liver cleanse is more critical than you can imagine, and there are some symptoms you may notice when there is a liver problem, or it is not working correctly. Digestive problems and stomach bloating after eating. Excessive desire for sweet, starchy, or salty foods. Feeling tired and showing dark circles under the eyes. Difficulty concentrating and staying focused on what you are doing. Nerves and easily irritated even by small things. Skin itching and allergic symptoms appearance. Getting sick, and the body cannot expel viruses and fungi easily. Regular headaches and various body aches. Sleeping problems and insomnia, or the opposite, sleepiness. Constantly trying to lose weight, but failing and feeling like the scale is stuck at the same number. So, let's see how you can gradually treat liver dysfunction with an excellent and healthy drink. The ingredients you need for this beverage will help with their properties in gradually repairing and detoxifying the liver. Number 1, nutmeg. It is a powerful healing spice whose multiple properties include protecting the liver from damage. Botanitherapists also use nutmeg to treat asthma, rheumatic pains, toothache, and body infections. Research showed that this remarkable spice, either as a powder or as an oil, helps to treat hyperglycemia and heart tissue damage, restore lipids levels, and break down fatty acids for better liver function. Nutmeg is a natural anti-inflammatory that reduces joint and general body pain. It also has antibacterial properties that protect the liver and reduce or eliminate liver toxicity. Number 2, cinnamon. My favorite spice improves liver enzyme levels, triglycerides, blood sugar, and cholesterol. But most important, it balances the C-reactive protein levels. Besides its role in the immune system, it can be responsible for our weight gain or a disappointing diet development. When our body becomes inflamed due to stress, lack of sleep, or a poor diet, the liver produces massive amounts of C-reactive protein. It is a necessary action to help our immune system deal with such issues. Doctors always check these crucial protein levels in examinations to assess whether we are at risk of heart disease, cancer, or other diseases. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties and helps our body to be insulin sensitive. This way, it does not need large amounts of insulin to work. Cinnamon helps insulin balance and deals with fatty liver and weight and fat loss in general. Number 3, black pepper. This form of pepper has potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that help to reduce body lipids, protecting the liver, kidneys, and intestine. Black pepper also has anti-cancer properties and is an ideal combination with cinnamon. Both penetrate body cells, reduce inflammation, and significantly improve digestion. Number 4, hot pepper, cayenne. It is a superfood with countless important therapeutic properties, mainly due to capsaicin, and cayenne pepper provides as much help as you cannot imagine to the liver, weight problems, and better body function in general. Capsaicin can not only increase metabolism but also reduce hunger. Thus, it helps to eat less but feel fuller and for a longer period. Hot pepper is also amazing at breaking up mucus, making it moister. This way, it helps the lungs expel easily and not block our breathing. Number 5, honey. It is an amazing food with antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, and acts as a natural antibiotic. When especially of good quality, it can regenerate a sick and toxin-filled liver and is a natural body detoxifier. Honey strengthens the liver tissues and helps regeneration, especially in people suffering from fatty liver disease. When we choose honey from rosemary flowers, the glucose is more easily absorbed and converted directly into energy. Easily absorption is vital because it does not force the liver to overwork. Number 6, lemons. They enhance our body's natural ability to cleanse the liver, and the citric acid in lemons helps produce enzymes that detoxify the organs and remove contamination from the liver and the body. Lemons also lower cholesterol and blood sugar and improve diabetes symptoms. As such, they can protect us from heart disease, cleaning our intestinal system and helping it move better. In this way, it is best to combine daily lemon juice with walking or exercising. Number 7, turmeric. It may be one of the most important and healthiest foods to keep your liver in good shape. Turmeric contains infinite healing properties and strengthens the gallbladder function. It also improves natural bile production, and we can use it to eliminate toxic substances from our bodies. Number 8, ginger. You already know my love for ginger, as mentioned in many of my videos. In addition to its infinite healing properties, it is a great plant that can protect our liver from the damage caused by toxins and free radicals. Ginger's regular consumption can also prevent or improve liver cancer. Let us see now how to prepare a healthy liver detox drink with the excellent foods above. We normally all have the ingredients in our kitchen, or we can easily find them to help cleanse the liver and detoxify it. So, add in a mug 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, half teaspoon of Ceylon-flavored cinnamon, half teaspoon of ginger, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, a little black pepper, and a little hot pepper. Add warm and not hot water to the mug and mix well. Then, add half a teaspoon of honey, mix again and drink it at any time of the day on an empty stomach, but ideally 1 hour before your breakfast. You can drink this beverage daily for 7 days, and to continue consuming, take a short break for 15 to 20 days, and continue the same pattern. Although this drink is healthy, it is better to ask your doctor before you start drinking it, especially if you have health issues or are taking medication. Undoubtedly, the liver is one of the most crucial body organs, and due to modern lifestyles, diet, environmental conditions, and low physical activity, do not always work effectively. So, we need to detoxify the liver frequently with the above healthy drink, contributing to general body detoxification, but also avoiding the cause of the liver dysfunction. Did you know this simple drink can help cleanse the liver and provide a healthy body detox? Have you ever tried this natural drink or anything similar? If you found this video helpful and enjoyed exploring the world of herbs and foods, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness insights, tips, and delicious ideas to boost your well-being journey. If you also want to discover the 12 powerful alkaline foods that can benefit your overall health, and how an alkaline diet can swiftly balance pH levels in your body, leading to immediate health improvements, watch this video here. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day and new week.